Planning to bring your wife from India to Austria? Here's your complete 5-minute guide to the spouse visa process for RWR holders. If you hold an Austrian red RWR or RWR Plus card, good news, you can bring your legally married spouse and children under 18 through Austria's family reunification program. Step 1. Your wife applies for a Visa D family reunification at the Austrian embassy in New Delhi or consulate in Mumbai. This visa allows her to enter Austria for up to 6 months to start the family permit process. Here's what she needs: passport, marriage and birth certificates, apostilled plus translated, police clearance with apostilled, A1 level German certificate, health insurance proof, and from you your RWR card, salary slips, rental contract and registration, mailed etc. Important: all Indian documents which are not in English must be translated into German by a certified translator. Uncertified copies can delay your visa for months. To qualify, you must prove financial stability, about 1,800 euros to 2,000 euros net income per month for a couple, plus rent and insurance. You'll also need proof of housing, like a valid rental contract with enough living space. Book the visa appointment early, slots fill fast. After submission, the embassy forwards your file to the Austrian authorities such as MA35 in Vienna. Processing time usually 3 to 6 months. Once approved, your wife receives her Visa D and can travel to Austria. Within 3 days, register her address, mail etc. and apply for the residence permit family member at the local immigration office. After biometrics, she'll get her residence card and can live and work in Austria. Common mistakes to avoid: missing A1 German certificate, forgetting apostille or translations, submitting incomplete financial proofs, waiting too long for an embassy slot. Double check every document to avoid rejections. Bringing your wife to Austria is 100% possible. Just plan early and prepare carefully. Want more visa and migration guides? Watch more on the Ingenious Tamilan YouTube channel and subscribe for updates.